In the present scenario, most of our country's population is youth. That is, one third of our population is youth only. If youth is good, entire country will be good. For the development of our country is in the hands of youth, but youth is in dilemma that what to choose, where to go, what should be their career, what are the job skills, what are the areas they have to focus. They are in dilemma. I wanted to focus today the job skills which are required to the youth. Let me tell you one thing, my dear friends. If youth is in our control, if they can get a good drastic change, and if they can get good guidance, automatically they will be in a good position. What are these job skills? Job skills are two types. The first skill is that subject skills. What is the subject skills? Subject skills are, if you are in engineering course or medicine course or in chartered accountants course or management course or commerce course, whatever may be your field, please focus on your subject skills. Who have chosen this subject? Yourself. And you have chosen this subject means you must be passionate, you must focus, you must love, you must be expertise in that field. Don't read your subject just like a subject for the sake of the marks. Love the subject and why the subject is meant and why the syllabus is meant. Understand the subject, be passionate about the subject and become expertise. Suppose I'll give you how to get the subject skills. For example, if you are a computer engineering student, there are different languages. Just be passionate and interested about only one subject, one area. Suppose say core Java is you are interested, data structures you are interested, or Python you are interested. On that particular area, become expertise and focus and throw your skills and get into the depth of the subject. So in that way, get your subject knowledge without any delay. Just love it, be passionate about it, practice it more, memorize it. The more you practice, you love the subject. So there should not be any deviation, there should not be any delay and getting expertise in your subject. This is the first tip. And the second tip is soft skills. There is no particular definition for the soft skills. What is the soft skills? Let me tell you. What a student is acquiring through the university knowledge and what industry requires. The acquired knowledge by the university and the requirement of the university. There is a difference. There is a drastic difference is there. The difference is nothing but a soft skills. So what is the soft skills? Soft skills, we can call it as a word skills, we can call it as a life skills also. To know these soft skills, I'll tell you few areas where you have to develop. No university or no education institution is giving a training program in this soft skills area, where industry is very much demanding and they need a lot of soft skills by the candidate. What is this soft skills? There are many areas in soft skills, just like appearance, good appearance and good attitude, and your communication skills, English communication, because we are working with the world. The entire world has become a global language, global world. So English communication skills, a very good body language, decision making skills, creative thinking skills, all these things together we call it as a soft skills. In soft skills area, if you are good, definitely there is a lot of opportunities. Entire world is giving you a lot of opportunities. Subject wise, if you are not expertise, it doesn't matter. But if you are expertise in soft skills, there are companies who are ready to give you the subject knowledge with a training of 3 months or 6 months maximum. You will be expertise, you can get the job and you can get into any market. So this is about the soft skills. Only just 2 skills. Subject skills, the moment when you enter into any professional job, a professional career, please focus on that, show your interest, get into the depth of the subject. And soft skills, nobody can train you. No company can train you. These are the areas you have to be expertise right from the beginning. Inculcate it, half subject of the soft skills. You will learn by observing others. The rest of the half is by practicing yourself, you will learn these soft skills. If these 2 areas you are perfect, definitely you will be wonderful. World is watching at you. Don't get relaxed. Give your best performance. The world will come to you. There is a good quotation by Acharya Chanakya. Education is the best policy. Educated man is respected everywhere, irrespective of his age and then beauty. So that's the importance of education. Get educated, rule the world, rule your life, enjoy your life. And thank you for watching for this channel. Do subscribe to my channel. I want to share, I want to give the best of my knowledge through this channel. Please do share and do subscribe. I wish you all the best. Please take care. Have a wonderful life.